Hello friends, in this class I am going to discussing about another important named reaction, that is hydroboration. Okay, I give you a definition of this hydroboration named reaction and reaction mechanism, and I give you a few applications of this named reaction, that is hydroboration. Now definition of hydroboration. In this reaction, when addition of boranes to alkenes in the presence of diether and tetrahedral furan to form trialkyl borane, it is known as hydroboration. Simply, what is the definition of hydroboration? In this reaction, when addition of boranes which is treated with alkenes in the presence of diether and tetrahedral furan to form trialkyl borane. Now we see the reaction of this hydroboration. This is the reaction. This is the alkene. When alkene, which is addition of boranes in the presence of diether and tetrahedral furan to form our required product, that is trialkyl borane. This is the definition and reaction of hydroboration of named reaction. Okay, now we can see the mechanism of hydroboration. Now coming to mechanism of hydroboration. Mechanism. Initially in this mechanism, first of all, we can take alkene which is treated with borane, that is boron BH3. Initially we can take alkene which is treated with boron to form a transition state, that is this is the transition state. It forms a required product, initial required product, that is alkyl borane this is alkyl borane. This alkyl borane again which is treated with alkene to form dialkyl borane. Again it's treated with alkene. Again this reaction treated with alkene to form our required product, that is trialkyl borane. This is our required product. This is our required product, that is trialkyl borane. Okay. Again we can see the mechanism. Initially we can take the propylene, that is alkene, which is treated with borane to form a some transition state, that is here this type of reaction, and it forms a initially it forms alkyl borane, and this alkyl borane again is treated with alkene to form a dialkyl borane, and again this dialkyl borane is treated with alkene to it forms our required product, that is trialkyl borane. Okay, this is the mechanism of hydroboration. Now we can see the few applications of this hydroboration reaction. Now a few applications of this hydroboration applications. In this application, first application, that is you can take trialkyl borane, our liquid product trialkyl borane. Trialkyl borane. This is the trialkyl borane, which is treated with hydrogen peroxide and sodium hydroxide. It forms an alcohol product, which is one of the application of hydroboration. Now another application, we can take 1-methyl cyclohexene, which is treated with this 1-methyl cyclohexene, which is treated with borane. It forms a transition state, that is, this type of transition is formed. This is the B, H, and it's treated with Cr2O, bromate or acid media. It forms a keto form. This is the second application of hydroboration. Another application we can take that is 1-methyl cyclopentene. This is the CH3, which is treated with again borane. It forms a transition state, that is, this type of transition state is formed, OH, and here 2pH, and it reacts with hydrogen peroxide and sodium hydroxide. It forms an alcoholic form is formed. These are the three applications of hydroboration reaction. I hope you can understand this hydroboration reaction, that is definition, reaction, mechanism and its applications. I hope you can understand these are. Thank you.